Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I will show you how you can access the Google's Veo 3.1. As of now, it's not currently available in the Gemini app, so I'm going to show you how you can access it. So you have to make sure one thing, if you are from India, make sure you are connected with a VPN. So I am connected with the United States, and if you are connected with VPN, then you are good to go. Then we have to search on the Google's for the Google's Pro. So basically it's a Google property and we're going to access Veo 3.1 through the Google Flow. Then we have to click on this first URL. And as you can see, this update Veo 3.1 is here. Try now for completely free. So it's completely free. You don't have to need a pro subscription of the Google, and then you're good to go. From here, we have to click here on the create with flow button. Okay, now we can see some projects here. Then we have to click here on this new project. From here, you can see that it's already showing this Veo 3.1, and we can click here and click here again. And if you are seeing Veo 3, then you can click and change the model. You can see there are two models Veo 3.1 Fast and the Veo 3.1 Quality with beta audio. So they are also support the AI audios with the video generation, and we're going to use them. So we already have a prompt. So we're going to test it out, and I'm going to paste this prompt, and I have already written it. So let's test it out. So here are the both results. You can see them. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, do consider to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.